Okay, create a table with 4 points to represent the graph. So we know that this is the graph here, so first we need to find a point. So we need a point, this is not here, it does not land, but here is our first where the line intersects. So your 2 is your x, and your 3 is your y. So x and then y. The x is also magnets, and the y is the cost. So 2 magnets cost $3. So we need to know other points on here. So if you wanted to, you could go ahead and locate another point, 4 and 6, or you could have just used the multiplying. And this is 2 groups, so 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6. So the next point would be 6 and 9 right here. So again, this is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Now you do need a fourth point, and there's no longer room on the graph, but we know that we can go ahead and do times 4. It would be the next one. So 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12.